Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. This is my 70 El Camino. I've had it for quite a while. I haven't really given it a lot of love lately, so I figured I'd take it out and just give it a run. It's got a couple of squeaks and rattles and things I have to needs a little bit of attention. So we'll get her up on a lift and we'll get to that. This car is beautiful. It's pin straight, it's 95% original, and it is going to be for sale. So I made a video a while back and it was really shaky. Now I have a GoPro, so that should improve a lot. But what I want to do today is I want to show you guys what I look for when I buy these cars. I usually buy a 68 to 72 are pretty much my favorites. And a few things on these cars that I kind of look for, maybe different than what other people do, but I like to see a nice straight body with no rust, hopefully no Bondo or anything like that. You want to get underneath the car, check the floors, make sure the floors are really good. But little things like this, you can look inside the gas tank cover here and just look and see if it matches the rest of the car and if it's all messed up, if there's rust behind it. A lot of guys paint cars and they don't pay attention to the smaller details like that. Also, these hinges, and that weld there is a factory weld. You want to kind of make sure all this stuff's pretty original. This bed's in great shape. It's a little bit dirty right now, but it's in really good shape. No real dings or anything. It's had no body work done. When you see those bolts, you make sure there's no welds around those bolts or that they're not all stripped out or messed up. That all looks pretty good. Everything lines up really nicely. Bumpers are straight. Nothing's out of the ordinary. Nothing looks too new or too good. When you see like one tail light's a little faded and the other one's new looking, you know that there's something wrong there. I just like things to kind of match and be uniform. Like I said, this El Camino is pin straight. Spare tires still in place. The little cubby hole back there is fine. I've already been underneath this thing and the floors are exceptional. Bench seats in nice shape. Dashboard has a couple of cracks. That's normal. I mean, for a 70, especially this car came from Arizona. That's why it's a rust-free car. Under the hood, everything is very, very nicely detailed. Little leaves and things on here. This car does not have AC. I was going to put Vintage Air, which would be a nice clean setup that you'd hardly even notice. The way they do it these days, they really do a nice job putting it in. Nice stickers, everything's in good shape. The engine's pretty much stock. It's not a hot rodded engine, it's fairly stock. So it just makes for a nice driver. Now this car is not a true SS. I knew that when I bought it. But a true SS will run you a lot more money than what I'm asking for this car. Go for a little ride. It's got 15x8 Corvette wheels in the back and 15x7s in the front. I thought about putting Craigers on it. I think that would really set off the white paint. I really think white cars look excellent with Craigers on them. But that can be for the next owner. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video now. We'll go for a ride in a minute. Over now.